Before we get into this video, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button for your boy. And if you haven't followed me on the gram yet, make sure y'all go follow your boy on Instagram, man. Y'all gonna see everything on there before YouTube. And shoot me a DM if you got any questions about anything.
Subscribe to SRTTJ. Like he don't got I'm looking for the car right there. Chilling. We ain't on no car shit today, man. We just chilling. Some vlog type shit. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, like, and comment. You know what I'm saying? Time to cut. We gotta get the room right tonight. We've been bullshit. We've been bullshit lately, man. I ain't gonna count. We've been bullshit. Watching over here, watching YouTube with the little heater and shit. Been doing YouTube for 2 years. Looking at
right, you know what I'm saying? Y'all go subscribe to my shit at Tide So Fly, you feel me?
yeah, I'm gonna put it right there, down below, right there.
You know what I'm saying? Some cool shit.
Some cool shit. Y'all see the room though, man. We gotta clean the room up, man.
We definitely doing it today.
We for sure doing that. We for sure doing it. Go grab something to eat. Can't talk? Can't get your ass out? Swift them? Nah. Had to open that sunroof. What today is? Today Tuesday. I need some tires so bad, bro. I can't do what I want to do. My shit is.
You still ain't got no tires?
Fuck no.
Are you man, you got me.
I haven't been driving this bitch, son.
Excuse me, y'all. This nigga trying to kill me. If y'all understood.
So I haven't been driving this bitch though.
Y'all understood, like, this nigga tires is horrible.
We're gonna show you the tires when we start. You going in or you going through the drive-through?
Man, why would I go in?
Cause they do your shit right when you go in.
Man, this nigga bullshit.
Nigga, they just cook your food right.
Man, they cook your food right, fast food and not. But nah. When you do go in, that bitch do be.
They get your shit right.
I just don't feel like doing all that walking in. I hate this nigga. He's too dangerous. Like he don't got no.
Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? We gotta get up there. Dang. We almost hit 1,000 subscribers. We need 1,000 subscribers. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, so y'all stay tuned for that.
Okay.
Might throw a little giveaway in that bit for y'all, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah.
So, shit.
You know that? Oh, that's Lucas. Fuck. He
freak out shit. Nah, for real.
What you getting up, bitch?
Man. Yeah.
Oh, they playing that shit. You hear that shit?
What y'all doing, a vlog?
Yeah.
What's up, boys?
Yeah.
Hey, TJ.
Alright, bro, be easy.
Alright, fool. Alright, now make sure you get home safe when you never make it in.
He finna fall all over the fucking.
Hey, look at me.
Man. Just stop recording?
Nah.
Nah, you too. Okay.
Hey, y'all gave my shit a little too fast, man.
That shit soggy.
That shit better be. That bitch better be good. I'm be mad as fuck at this food ain't right. And then he just pulled off. Like,
Cans don't fuck up.
what?
Cans don't fuck up.
Boy, you was just saying cans fuck up. What do you
Only
mean?
extra crispy because them white people. They don't know how to cook extra crispy.
Damn, I can't even get to get in my food.
My bad, son. It's the tires, son. Son, it's the tires, son. I'm not doing that shit on purpose, son. For real.
I'm finna bat this bitch in and shit.
It's the tires, son. I'm telling you.
He like, man, what the fuck is they got going? Hey, let me get the fuck on down.
Let me show y'all how bad these tires is, though. Y'all see that shit, son? Y'all, your boy Tug. Ooh, wires and everything showing on this shit. For real. That bit look clean though. Don't get it twisted. Oh yeah. Oh, you know I had to double it. Y'all know we gotta double it. We finna clean the room. Y'all, we got tiles, we got a line. We got dressers, we got shovels, we got weed eater. We got TV. Nigga. YouTube! YouTube! This nigga can't let us do it. Can't let us how they be, huh?
Hold on, son. I got everything.
Alright, take two.
Alright.
YouTube! We back another video. We got
Back
two
with
niggas.
another
We got
video.
Thomas. We got Thomas on fire. We got my TJ right here. And we about to clean this room.
That's how you do it, type energy.
We about to clean this room though.
Alright, time. You stuck your head now, bro. Stuck your head,
Pretty
bro.
much, I mean, not recruit. But yeah. I'm about to say I want to do it.
Hey, we got a PS5 for sale over here. Give me 500 for it. Come with everything you need, all type of shit. You know what I'm saying? Come with everything you need. Y'all, this dude got shit everywhere. But look, first what we finna do, we gonna grab all the big shit first, right?
I mean, we got, that's what I'm saying, we gotta see how we finna do this. Just like, ask, like, what is our go-to first? What do we first, our first objective?
What you think? Like, we grab all the big shit and then rearrange this bitch? You want everything in this corner?
Everything
that
that getting took out of here, we just really reorganizing that bitch and getting to where we could have our own
space,
At
little
least
room.
At least
Yeah.
at this side of the room.
So, okay, you want this side of the room first?
Yeah, what you want, that side?
Nah, we can do this side because they got more shit over there.
That's what I'm saying.
So,
Well, it is more problem, yeah. That's just that tea house. It's really not that much shit over there. That house is big as shit and look. No, we trapped in. And we locked in. And we gotta get it. Nigga, man. Alright, so.
y'all, we getting somewhere.
This shit was for.
We getting somewhere.
We can just put everything like.
But like we made up our mind. We're gonna put everything in that corner for now. And like whenever we get to it, we're gonna get to it, clean all that shit up. But all this shit finna go on that side, and we're gonna have this side of the room for now. And then later on, we're gonna get that bitch right. Y'all can see. We clean that bitch up a little bit better. We put everything over there. That bitch really got a lot of little space. Don't leave our chairs, you know.
Shit, fuck it.
Gotta start from the bottom somewhere, huh? Fuck it. At least we got somewhere to sit at. Y'all can see this bit really, like, y'all can see like how much room we got now. Like this bit really comfortable. You hear echo in this bitch now. You couldn't hear none of that shit. Some chill type shit, way comfortable than what it was. This just the start. This just look. I ain't gonna come back so it'd be more.
I really
You know what I'm
want to buy
saying?
some. Nigga, I can buy some LED lights for this bitch today.
Come on, we go to Walmart right now.
We can go right now.
Come on, let's ride.
Right.
Subscribe to SRT TJ. Yes. Y'all see how we do it. Finessing them.
Next one.
We finna do on the next one. Yeah, stop playing. Alright, make sure it's still on there. Type shit. Okay, for sure. It's still on here. Shit. Show them boys what I just got, bro. Let me see. Let me see the little thing. We got some LED lights for the room, but little pistol grip thing to hold the foam a little bit better. Man, you should have got one of these bitches. Guess how much
We could get one of them little things for cheap.
How much it is?
That bit only $200.
$200.
We can get that.
Man, this bit small, son.
We're gonna be on the fucking.
That bit uncomfortable. When it's cold, it's gonna be cold. When it's hot, it's gonna be hot. Looking at it.
That's that window do it. That's one.
Theirs.
They ain't got no shit in here. I'm a fucking gun.
I ain't got the pistol grip thing. Hold on, y'all. Let me open this bitch and see what this bitch talking. You see that haircut over there? Look at her finna hit Ryan. The package has been accomplished. You heard me? Got the LED lights for the thing. We finna get right in that thing. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe to the damn channel. Make sure y'all subscribe. Yay. I was trying to find the mounts for these LED lights we had got, but these not the ones that stick on the wall. So, like the box said, it's supposed to have some clamps or some shit in there, but we don't even see the clamp. They not in that. They done straight jacked all stupid. How you changing the colors? Oh, from that. Ain't this Bluetooth to your phone too?
Bluetooth. Somebody going that. Cool.
Yeah, he get to go in there.
Yeah.
Looking at.
Like.
Curve that bitch a little bit. You want it to go like that, or you want it straight across the floor?
That's cool, like that.
Shit, that'd be cool. It look good to me.
Shit,
Let me see them bitches up there. Let me see them way up there. Y'all see them bitches? You can't.
You know, set up, pull up and sneak on time.
Sneak on time. He over here beating his
I got one
You got everything playing on the TV.
Top of the ran through all the fucking wall through that bitch.
This bit ain't even done yet, you heard me? We just getting started.